Students, good morning. Today we are starting again class 12th biology chapter 24, blood circulatory system of human, and today's topic is blood corpuscles. Once again, today we are starting again class 12th biology chapter 24, blood circulatory system of human, and today's topic is blood corpuscles. So first of all, blood corpuscles. Students, in previous online class we studied composition of blood, mostly two parts of blood. First is plasma, second is blood corpuscles. So blood corpuscles is a part of blood. It forms for about 45% part of blood. Next, types of blood corpuscles, mostly three types. First is red blood corpuscles, second is white blood corpuscles, third is platelets. First of all, first is red blood corpuscles. Students, it means granules like structures located in blood and provide red color of blood. Once again, corpuscles, it means granules like structures located in blood and provide red color to blood. First of all, it is also known erythrocyte. It is also known leukocyte. It is also known thrombocytes. Next is amount of RBC. First in male human, second in female human. In male human, approximately 52 lakhs per cubic millimeter, but in female 47 lakhs per cubic millimeter. Next is RBC are disc shaped. It means shape. Next point is biconcave or spherical and non-nucleated. In early stage, RBC2 have nucleus, but mature RBC is nucleus-less. Next is diameter of human RBC is 7 to 8 micrometer. Next is formation of RBC or development or RBC or synthesis of RBC in bone marrow. Students, woman's large bone to have specific cavity. This is bone. So this is cavity located in bone. So bone cavity. It is also known bone marrow. Next, in embryonic stage, formation of RBC in a liver part, in liver. Next is lifespan or lifespan of human RBC is about 120 days. Next is content of RBC. Contents of RBC or human RBC is human RBC full to hemoglobin. Students, hemoglobin is a respiratory pigment and compound or conjoint protein. It is respiratory pigment. Second, it is conjoint protein. Hemoglobin, it is protein part. It is non-protein part. If protein or non-protein part proper binded is called compound or conjoint protein. Heme, it means ferrous. It provide color. Second, hemoglobin to carry 4 molecules of oxygen. Once again, hemoglobin to carry single hemoglobin molecule to carry 4 oxygen molecules. Next is hemoglobin to have 2 chain, first alpha, second beta chain. Next is graveyard of RBC. It means when the RBC lifespan is completed, so RBC are dead in liver part. So liver is a graveyard of RBC. Once again, when RBC lifespan is completed, so RBC are dead in liver part. So liver is graveyard of RBC. Liver. function of RBC is transporting of gases, it means O2 and CO2. Next is exchange and carry of gases, mostly carry of oxygen. Next is WBC, it is white blood corpuscles. Next, it is also non leukocyte. Next, it is a type of blood corpuscles. Next is, students, color of RBC is red because hemoglobin, a respiratory pigment located in RBC. Next, first is amount is about 7,000 per cubic millimeter. Amount about 7,000 per cubic millimeter. Next is color, colorless blood corpuscles. Next is WBC is nucleated, it means WBC2 have nucleus. Nucleated blood corpuscles. Next is shape is irregular shape. Next is movement is amoeboid. Once again, amoeboic. Movement. Next is types of WBC. Mostly two types. First is granulocytes. Second is agranulocytes. It means this WBC cytoplasm to have granule-like structure, so it is called granulocytes. This WBC cytoplasm did not have granules like structure, so it is called agranulocytes. Next is types of granulocytes is three types. First is neutrophils. Second is eosinophils. Third is basophils. It means 3 types of granulocytes. First is neutrophils, second is eosinophils, third is basophils. Next, types of agranulocytes, mostly 2 types. First is monocyte, second is lymphocyte. It means mostly 5 types of WBC. First is neutrophils, eosinophils, basophils, monocyte and lymphocytes. Once again, students, today we studied blood corpuscles. First is RBC, second is WBC, it means white blood corpuscles. Second, it is also known leukocyte, but other name of RBC is erythrocytes. Amount of RBC in 52 lakh in male humans, 47 lakh per cubic millimeter in female humans, but WBC in 7000 per cubic millimeter in male and female human. Next, color of RBC is red, but color of WBC is colorless. RBC is non-nucleated or anucleated structure, but shape is biconcave. But WBC is nucleated blood corpuscles, shape irregular, but movement is amoeboid movement, amoeboic movement. Next is lifespan is approximately 7 to 20 days, approximately 7 to 10 days, all types of WBC. Next is types of WBC is agranulo or agranulocytes. Granulo, it means to have granules like structures in cytoplasm. If did not have granules like structures in cytoplasm, agranulocytes. First types. Next is types of granulocyte, mostly 3 types: neutrophils, eosinophils, basophils. Next, types of agranulocytes, it means monocytes and lymphocyte. Next is ratio of WBC or RBC. Next is ratio of WBC and RBC and WBC. It means RBC, it is also known erythrocytes, is 600, ratio 1 is WBC, it means leukocyte. So next day we studied types of WBC. So thanks, have a nice day.